what are you taking away from this visit?
It's really unfortunate. And for me, it's like, it makes me want to get closer to God. Very, very sad story.
We recently just closed 100 days of commemoration of the genocide against the Tutsi. What's on your heart really for people of Rwanda?
I think to honor the people, you just have to really create a movement, you know? What you guys have done, me seeing all of this, I feel like I know it. I feel like you guys did your thing when it comes to this building and, you know, all of the images that you can see. I really could have deep sympathy for the people who have lost people. So I think that's taking a negative situation and also building and putting some light around it. You know, just having this building is amazing for outsiders to come in and be able to relate to what has happened. So I think for the people who are hurting, just try to find purpose. You know, I think that can bring you some peace if you can find purpose behind it and see what you can do to help, you know? And that might just be spreading a message or, you know, looking for ways to create peace within others. You know, even if it's just one person, making their day, making them smile, I feel like can make them feel better. I think for all the ones who have passed, we don't want it to go in vain. So let's try to turn this negative situation and let's try to get as many as positives that we can from it and truly honor the people who have fallen.
We believe people who visit this place go back home impacted by the history and willing to talk about their experience in Rwanda and also become ambassadors of peace, taking responsibility. Talking about this personal responsibility, what are you going to do back in your community?
Oh, for me, which is number one for everything, I'm gonna stay prayed up. I'm gonna pray for peace. I'm gonna pray for the ones who have lost people and really just, you know, sit with it and realize that it's real. The biggest thing you can do is just learn more about it because you cannot fathom what they went through. Ubumuntu, love.